What up YouTube, J-Dub here, and welcome back to the channel. I'm super sorry I have not posted a video in a while, guys. A lot of things going on, work and whatnot, and really didn't have a lot of video to show you guys, so I've been trying to do some more shorts when I can, but we are about to get a lot more videos coming to the channel, and that is because I bought a new toy. So let's take a look at it. There it is, y'all. I bought a Corvette. Terrible lighting. I apologize in advance. This is a 2001. I actually made a short of it several weeks ago. And if you guys want, it is a 6-speed manual, just so you can see. I will make a more in-depth video of it soon. But I have gotten a lot of drive time with this so far. I've put about 400, 500 miles on it. I've owned it for a couple of weeks now. And yeah, I don't know really what to say about it, guys. It was a good deal for what I got it for. It had 57,000 original miles on it. Everything on it works like it's supposed to. It's pretty well loaded for what it is. There are a few things that I'm going to have to do to it just because of the age of the car. But overall, I'm very happy with this vehicle. Just a quick overview. 2001 Corvette. It is powered by the infamous LS1 engine. Like I said, this is a very clean example of the vehicle. Like I said, there's some things that need to be done to it. But, yeah. So this is going to be the new car for the channel. There are some things I need to do to it. I want to do to it. I guess I'll go over those now. So, basically, it's a 25-year-old car. So it's going to basically need just about everything that a 25-year-old car is going to need. I got a pretty good deal on this vehicle. The tires on it are in good shape. They are a little older, so that's something I'm going to have to do. It does not appear to have any harmonic balancer wobble, at least yet. That could change, obviously, you know, the more I drive it. I literally just got done driving it to Cincinnati and back, which is about, I don't know, 200 miles round trip, maybe 250 mile round trip, somewhere in there, and it did fantastic. Like I said, it's going to need to have the tires changed out at some point just because of their age. I don't think the torque tube is going to need immediate repair or anything else. I don't feel any harsh vibrations or noise coming from underneath of the car yet. So hopefully that can hold out for a while, because that is a very in-depth, very expensive repair. So much to the point where I might actually have a shop do that. I don't know if I have the necessary equipment to pull off a torque tube rebuild. I mean, you're talking literally dropping the entire rear end of the car. So the brakes seem like they're good on it. It had a fresh oil change right when I bought it. I need to flush out the clutch fluid. I need to flush out the brake fluid, the power steering fluid, rear diff fluid, transmission fluid. It needs rear sway bar links, which I already have from Moog on order. You know, well, like I said, the interior is in fairly good shape. It's not perfect. This could probably stand to have a seat redone at some point in the future. I already replaced the struts. Here. So if you look, that actually goes up like it's supposed to now. Before, it did not. So there's that. Top's in overall pretty good shape. A little bit of wear on the very bottom there. You can't really see it unless I point it out, but yeah. So that's all good. Like I said, guys, it's a really, really well-loaded vehicle. It's got a 12-disc changer in it, which, okay, not a thing really for me, but I'll be putting up, the only thing I've really done to it so far is I put a phone mount in there, which I will post that video shortly after posting this one on what I did and why I did it and whatnot. So yeah, guys, this is going to be the new toy that I start doing videos with. I'm really happy with it. Some people probably ask, like, why a Corvette? Why'd you buy a Corvette? I've been looking for a fun car for a while now. Just something different, you know. I was looking for something different, and everybody who's ever owned a Corvette that I know absolutely loved them, so I kind of figured there's got to be something to that. Originally I was looking at maybe a Viper. Viper was always the dream. The problem comes in with the Viper. Yeah, they're not exactly any remotely considered cheap. So that's going to be that's going to be a thing. So I started looking at Corvettes, and the more I read about them and the more I was kind of intrigued by them, and then I test drove a couple of them, and yeah, so yeah, like I said, I ended up going with the Corvette. I got some stuff coming already that I'm going to try to shoot videos for. Some lights and stuff, like the factory lights on this thing are trash. But there's a lot of stuff on this car that is not exactly cheap. So, gonna be a work in progress. My goal is to basically get this thing as reliable and ready to go as possible. And yeah, so eventually I'm gonna have to do a torque tube rebuild, clutch replacement. I mean, the clutch on it feels pretty good right now, but once again, just something you're gonna have to do. Same thing with the harmonic balancer, notorious on these LS motors, so I am sure, being that it is a lower mileage vehicle, it probably did a lot more sitting, so the more I drive it, which I have been driving it, I really enjoy driving it, that's going to be something that's going to need to be addressed in the future. So, like I said, this is it, guys. This is the car. If you want a more in-depth review of it, please leave a comment down below. I try to get back to everybody I can in the comments. I enjoy reading all of them. You guys are awesome about that, and I really do appreciate all the help you guys are doing with watching the videos, sharing the videos, and the channel is growing. But, like I said, apologize I haven't posted a video in a while. That's what this is all about. Hopefully we're going to get some really good videos out of it. But I wanted to make sure I posted a, hey, I bought a new toy video for you guys so you know what we're dealing with. And then, yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, like I said, drop a comment down. I will try to get back to you as quickly as I can. And yeah, here's to new videos, guys.